13 bass boosts productions.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video, not just about like those simple kindergarten math. I'm actually going to be going into like advanced grade 6 and 7, but I'm not going to be explaining it in a way that's too complicated. Going to be like doing it with like basic skills and basic tricks. So, yeah, let me show you. The first thing I want to show you is, sorry. Let me put this over here. By the way, that is my new intro. Might be going on this video or the other video. So, yeah, let's get into it. So, let's do division. So for division, let's say this is one of my numbers. This is the symbol for division, and this is my over number. Then the equal sign. What does it equal? Look, let's say if this is 4 and the over number is 4, then we say what times 4, so like what over here times 4 is equal to 4. So it's basically like a reverse multiplication. So it's like what? It goes over here. Like it's kind of like what times 4 equals 4. And the answer is 1. Because 1 times 4 equals 4. So now let's do the next thing. Well, if you're in grade 5, you probably already know this. But if you're looking my like I don't know, like in grade 3, grade 2, grade 1, or even grade 4, you probably don't know this. So this is called algebra. So let's say you got a letter. Usually the professional people do an X. Now X is kind of like what is the number equal to? X is kind of like question mark. X equal 4 plus 2. So like basically X is a question mark. It's like you can replace it with question mark. But professional mathematicians do X. So X equal 4 plus 2, then 4 plus 2, which is 6. So then 6 equals X. Because like it has the same value of 4 plus 2. So you have to see the value of 4 plus 2, which is 6. And it's the same value of X. So then in this equation, X equals 6. So then, let me teach you a different thing. X is not this boring number that means question mark, then you plus the numbers. There's actually something else you could do. Look, if you say X plus 2 equal 9, let's just say that, equal 9, then guess what? Since, see this plus 2, like the plus 2, we want to move it to the 9. So the way we move it is that, like, let's say you're at a field trip. The equal is kind of like that border. Like the border where you go on the airlines. That's like kind of like the border. Then this moves over the border, so like the plus 2 moves over, and since it goes over there, and since it goes over there, it's a different thing, and it turns into opposite. Instead of plus, it turns into minus. So it's minus 2. It's because it goes the opposite direction. That's kind of like how like kindergartens think about that. It's kind of like an easy and fun way of thinking about algebra. So we say X equal 9 minus 2. The reason why it's minus 2 is because it's going in the opposite direction. So now said plus, it's opposite, and it turns into minus. So 9 minus 2 equals 7. So then X equals 7. Yeah, X equals 7. So now let me teach you the last thing. The last thing which I sure if you're in grade 3, you probably already know this, but it's called times. Oh wait, by the way, I already taught you times before on the videos. Let me teach you something else. Like, here, let me show you something. 1 to the power of 2. Let's just say 1 to the power of 2. Then we say what is 1 to the power of 2? So let me teach you power. Okay? Power is something you probably know in grade 7. I don't know when you learn it, but when I was in like grade 3 or 4, I learned how you do power. Cause I kind of like really loved math. In fact, at school, my favorite part of school was math. So now let me teach you how you do power. So the way you do power is that it's very easy. It's very easy. Look, you say 1 to the power of 2. So you see, since it says 2, you say 1 times 1. Now, do you know why 1 times 1? It's because I said 1 times it by 2 times. So I did 1 times 1. And I did 1 2 times 1 and 2. So I multiply 1 2 times. Like I say 1 times 2. So I get it, there's 2 ones. And I times them together. But if this was 3, like let's say the 1 was 3, there will be 3 times 3. So then 1 times 1 equals 1. So yeah, I think that's it, honestly. Like maybe on episode 2 I might teach you like degrees, how to like estimate the clock. There's many things about math. So yeah, hey guys, goodbye. Have a nice day. I really wish I had like an outro, but like have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day.